coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got one from Taiwan. This is TTL's Hua Diao Liquor Spring Chicken Hua Diao Liquor. It's funny because the one that I've reviewed, the Hua Diao by TTL, but this is totally a different way of offering it. And this is different. And in the other one, there's no side panels. Everything's on the lid. I don't know if this is an export version. I don't know if this is like a private labeled version, although the same picture's on it. It's getting a new one. This is from my buddy, sorry man, my buddy Daniel from Exotic Nudes. Go to exoticnudes.com, use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for 15% off your discount. Can't beat that. That's not too shabby. Boom. All right, so. Here's what you do. You got this bowl. See, the other ones, they're plastic bowls. I don't know what's going on here, folks, but rest assured, someday I will. Yes. So the noodle block, and just because these are pretty hard to come by, we'll throw all the noodles in there. We're gonna put in the powder soup. Come on, super basomatic. Come on, sucker. So today, come on. Today is Tuesday, the 8th, and this day is the day after Labor Day weekend. I hope you all had a good Labor Day, which for you was about a month ago, so I'm knee deep in the temporal Cold War, pardon me. But yeah, anyway. So as you may or may not know, there are these things called forest fires. That's when forests catch on fire. Adding the boiling water. There. Putting this lid on top. Putting this is a retort pouch. This is full of meaty meat. Meaty meat, meaty meat, meaty meat, meat. And timer got moved. It's like 3 minutes. So there's forest fires, right? So last night we were sitting there having dinner, had the deck door open over there, and all of a sudden out of nowhere, it's just like this wall of stinky smoke just kind of like came in. I mean, it wasn't like something you could see per se, but it was just like, oh, now the outside smells like smoke, like really bad. We're not anywhere near any wildfires or anything like that. But a system came in, pushed off the foothills and stuff and pushed it down into the Puget Sound area. So that's what we're dealing with right now. And this morning I went out walking and I've got that little light that I keep on my hat. I've got lights on my shoes too. I'm sure I'm quite a sight to behold. But yeah, I got my lights and stuff. And I did one intro that is all black and white and it looks like snow flying around. That one's rain. That's like mist. It kind of looked like that, but this time it was ash. It was like literally fallout from forest fires. And every once in a while I'd get a little bit in my teeth and it would be like this little slight gritty kind of like My wife was like, maybe you shouldn't be like out walking in that stuff. It's just like, yeah, probably right. My wife is always right. I'm not brown nosing or nothing. It's true. Okay. Almost forgot. How much time we got left? We got a minute. Perfect. Number 26. A patent is not worth a bean if it cannot be commercialized. What if it's for something that you're donating to the good of all mankind? Well, somebody will commercialize it. No good deed goes unpunished, isn't that right? Yeah. That was from the wonderful, wonderful, award-winning book, Momo Fuguendo Speaks, which took me 10 years to finally get a copy of, but I got it. So I'm stoked on that. What did we do this weekend? Saturday we walked to Seattle from here. We took the Burt Gilman Trail. It's really not that far. I think round trip we did maybe like 8.5 miles, but that was pretty cool. Alright. Give you a stir. So yeah. There's the sauce pouch. It's kind of tough because my buddy, the guy who ran dadbert.com, Robert Ziegler, R.I.P. I showed him these things that had these retort pouches. He was just like so freaking sold on these things. He was like, man, if you ever get any more, you gotta hook me up. I totally would have too. Come back to us, man. I'll hook you up with some noodles. You really like these things. So there's that. And then, this is the liquor. This is actually boozy. Oh yeah, that's boozy, alright. Wadao liquor. Why isn't it in the US? Oh, you know, the kids. No, that's not why. It's the chicken. No, the kids. The kids will get a hold of it. No, it's the chicken. Kids don't give a crap about instant noodles. They really don't. Not when it comes to getting drunk, that's for sure. And I've got a little extra chicken here. Let's try the chicken that's in this first. There should be. Come on, chicken. There's one. There's another one. So this stuff does have real chicken in it. I've added nothing. Oh, come back. This is the chicken. Tastes like chicken. It's got nice flavor to it. The noodle. Thin. Good. Broth. That little dark thing towards this end right there, that's wolfberry. There's a lot of flavor in this from the wolfberry. Excellent bowl of noodles. I'm gonna add some more. Not like there's much. I'm gonna add this chicken in there. Give it a quick little stir. And then make sure you're able to see. Yes, you should be able to see. If you can't see that, I can, so that means you're really blind. Okay. Alright, so what are we gonna do in here? I want to put some more flour food. Actually, first I'm gonna deal with the egg action. I don't know how completely satisfied I am with that placing. Yeah, don't sink. No sinky eggs. What's that about? Here, you guys can rest over here. Rest easy now, eggs. Mung bean sprouts really don't belong in here as much as I want to add them. Spring onion is alright. Yeah, it could just be one of those days. Maybe I shouldn't do a third review. Some black sesame. No. Just the regular ones, thank you. I just don't see the contrast thing happening, especially something that's chicken. Beef, maybe. Chicken, no. Got some oil. Oil it up. A little bit of pepper flake. And I think I will yet again reach for the flour food. Flour food music. It's just so flour food. I wish it would be easier to make the other chicken show up, but it's just not gonna happen. But this is a quality bowl of noodles, folks. This is some Taiwanese fun. And I actually got to go to Taiwan in 2017, and I got to meet. We went to the it was at the Exhibition Center Station in Taipei, in Nangang. Yeah? Nangang Exhibition Center Station. Anyways, they were having a big food show and all this stuff, and the TTL people were there because it was liquor and wine and coffee upstairs, that show. And I went over to the TTL booth, I was like, hey! And now I'm friends with a guy named Sai from TTL, pushing his booze, and yeah, he was like, oh yeah, here you go, here's some noodles, I know who you are. They've sent me tons of stuff. I've done a bit of work with them. They're really cool people. Anyways, yeah, let's let Rotato do its work and enjoy. Alright, cool. Fancy real chicken and booze instant noodles from the most wonderful place in the universe, Taiwan. It's been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.